Number 3 is FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge 3D printer is a top-of-the-line choice for anyone who can easily and precisely create ABS prints. The printer offers a stable, flat surface for your creations with a sturdy metal frame and aviation-level aluminum plate. The metal platform support and 10mm guide rod ensure precise Z-axis movement and prevent platform arm deformation, resulting in high-quality prints every time. The enclosed chamber of the FlashForge 3D printer insulates and protects ABS prints, making it an ideal choice for those who want to experiment with this popular filament. In addition to ABS, the printer is compatible with a range of other filaments, including PLA, HIPS, PETG, TPU, and more. The printer has a full manufacturer's warranty fulfilled by FlashForge and free email support from expert technicians. The user manual provides detailed instructions to ensure you get the most out of your printer. The FlashForge 3D printer is a reliable and versatile option for anyone looking to create high-quality ABS prints. Its advanced features and support make it a solid investment for professionals and hobbyists. So if you want to get the printer, then check out the link in the description box below. Number 4.